Hello YouTube and preppers, this is the Comms Prepper, and in this video I want to talk about aftermarket antenna options for your Midland Micro Mobile GMRS radio when housed in Hardened Power Systems Operator G1 in the ammo can. I have two products on the table here today, both by DPD Productions, and I'm going to put a link down below. The first antenna is a 5.5 dB gain mobile antenna. You get the antenna, you get the magnetic base, and the coax cable with a PL259 connector on it. Because this is a 5.5 dB gain antenna, depending on the length of your custom cable, you may have to turn the power down in the radio to low power so you stay within the affected radiated power limits of the GMRS radio service set by the FCC. So if you have a really short cable, you might have to turn your power down so you don't put out what's effectively more than 5 watts of power, which is the limit in the GMRS radio service. The second antenna is DPD Productions base station antenna. That's a 4 dB gain antenna. It has an N-type connector already on the end there, a pigtail, and comes with mounting hardware. Now I had hoped to get this installed this weekend, but I got sidetracked with my packet radio project, but we'll get this done the next trip out to the retreat location. I did pre-cut some cable over here. I have 19 feet of LMR 400 cable that I plan to connect to this antenna. And the idea of making that 19 feet is so I stay within the height limitations set by the FCC for GMRS radio antennas. So I can't get the antenna up any higher because the cable won't let me, but I don't think that's going to be a problem for my specific operating location. Even with the antenna height limitations set by the FCC for the general mobile radio service, I seem to have an advantage here at the retreat location in the mountains of West Virginia. So the cable I cut is 19 feet long. We're going to mount the antenna on the side of the house, and this will allow me to hook up the Operator G1 on the deck, listen to radio traffic, and if need be I can use a second jumper cable to move the box inside if it's inclement weather, cold out, or I just want to monitor the GMRS radio bands from the Lazy Boy. Here we have two great aftermarket antenna products specifically built for the general mobile radio service, and I'll put a link down below to DPD Productions website so you can check these antennas out. And as always, thank you for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. This has been the Comms Prepper with a short video on aftermarket antenna ideas for your GMRS radio operations. Thanks for watching, guys.